Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 5 of paper 2-1 October-November exam series of 2022. The topic of this question is mainly the nuclear atom. Question says figure 5.1 is a diagram that shows the number of particles in a charged atom ion of beryllium. So in a beryllium we have this nucleus where we have two types of particles. The one which are shaded and lined are the neutrons. So there are 5 neutrons here, and the ones with the hollow circles, they are the protons. So we have 4 protons. We have 2 electrons in the first shell. Then there is second shell which is empty because beryllium has lost 2 electrons. Otherwise there would have been 1 electron and 2 electron in the second shell also. The question says the charge on an electron is minus 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. The same is the charge on a proton also, but with a positive sign. The charge on the ion is positive 3.2 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Deduce from the charge on the ion the number of proton in its nucleus. So the value of charge is plus 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19. If we divide it with the charge of 1 proton, then the answer would be 2. So it means that there is a charge of plus 2 on the ion of beryllium. Charge of plus 2 shows that there are 2 more protons than electrons. So we have 2 electrons in the beryllium. So 2 more protons means there are total of 4 protons. So we would say that protons should be 2 plus 2 equal to 4 for this ion. So the number of protons are 4 here. Write down in nuclide notation the symbol for the nucleus of this charged atom. So beryllium has a charge of 2 positive. The number of protons are 4 and the number of neutrons plus protons are going to be 9 since there are 9 particles in the nucleus. The isotope in figure 5.1 is the only stable isotope of beryllium. Explain the term isotope. The atoms which have same number of protons but different number of neutrons, they are called the isotopes. Explain what prevents electrons in an atom from escaping. So the answer is the electrons have negative while nucleus have positive charge. These unlike charges attract each other. So it prevents the electrons from escaping from the atom. Okay, the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.